The light in this garage is terrible. I don't have light fixtures installed yet. I got to get this car out of here so we can put electricity in here. It's terrible. I've got like a spotlight up here and that's about it. So these are really super light, easy to move. We're just going to install them in here real quick, link a couple together and give me a little light to see with. Looks like they do give you a couple screws and hooks and stuff and a couple chains for mounting. It's got an on-off switch on the cord. And then you can see here that you can change the light temperature and you can change the wattage, so you can change how bright the light is. And it comes with little hangers pre-installed on it. So this should be pretty easy to put up. Okay, let's try these guys out. I've got 2 of them set up. Boom, there we go. These things are bright. I've got one behind me and one right above the camera here. So they do have different color temperatures. You can adjust the color temperatures separately. You can adjust the power level separately. So like this backlight, I can turn down the power on it. So down to 40 or 30. There's 40s in the middle and then 50. And then we can change the color of the light. So you get that really kind of blue light that sometimes is useful. There we go. We got that kind of blue light. That's what, 5,000 K? We have 4,000, which I think is my favorite for inside the shop here. All right, and then we'll go to that really warm light, that 3,000 K, very yellow, warm light, kind of some mood lighting. That's not bad, but I feel like the middle one's just a really good color temperature for working in the shop. You can, again, have these working independently of each other. So, yeah, it's nice to have linked shop lights. I think it brightens up the shop really nicely. I only have 2 in here right now. If I had 2 more down there, I could see the other side of the shop, no problem. And they plug into a wall. They're really light. They're easy to move around. So I love this style of a shop light. And I really like that you can control the brightness levels of them independently of each other and that you can adjust the color temp. Because I hate most of these shop lights are like a blue light. I don't like that. I like this kind of 4,000 K color. But it's nice to be able to switch it up if you need to, if you're doing like some kind of paint color matching or something. So that's all I know. They seem to work great.